Hello my lovelies and welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing all well in these lovely summer months. So today I am going to show you how I made these green coasters. So without further ado, let's get to it. Here I am preparing everything for what I need. I am using the lovely slate mold from Molds and Shapes. I like this mold very much. And for my color, I'm gonna be using Arteza mica pigment and curl paste. So I am going to have green theme today, and in the middle I am going to put some gold glitter. I do usually put gold leaf in the middle, but because I ran out, I had to work with what I have, and I thought why not to try this glitter. So I am placing a lot of glitter and just a tiny little drop of resin and mixing it well together. Here I have prepared my resin and I am going to be dividing it in 3 cups. My resin for today is Art Pro resin from Resin Pro company. I always use it for my coasters. And now I'm going to be adding all my colors and pigments to resin. And I'm having dark green, light green and yellowish green. So very happy colors. Bit unusual to me because usually I do like greens, but I go for more like darker greens. But as it's summer outside, I thought I will go with something more brighter. And yes, that's what I'm doing here. Because as you saw, even this green was brand new. I never touched it before. And I like these Arteza mica pigment set. I have set of 60 and it's really great because it has lots of colors and you can almost find any tone that you need and wish to have. If you are enjoying this video so far, please click a like. That would mean to me a lot and would help my little young channel out as well. So thank you for clicking a like. Much appreciated. So here I have finished mixing up my colors and now it's going to be time, the best time, time to pour. I do enjoy this process a lot. So just preparing my transparent and I'm gonna start with my dark green. And I am gonna go around the edge. So I will speed up this and I hope you enjoy and I see you in just a little bit. Oh yes, I had to do my centers, the glitter, before I could finish my color, because as you see, the color was moving very fast, which I'm happy about. So I had to put down because I was afraid that I will lose the clear center. And now I am going around with my yellow. Is the last color, and so far I like what I see. This is the one of reasons why I love working with resin so much. I love how when you pour colors randomly, they tend to mix themselves together and you never know what kind of print texture you're gonna get. All colors mixed together, and yes, it's always a surprise unless you really are an expert and can read resin really well. So here I am just going with the leftovers because as we know we don't like to waste it, and with my heat gun carefully to pop the bubbles. And now I cover it and leave it cure for 24 hours. So here is the next day and it's all nice and hard and cured, and I'm taking them out. And for sure I know that the bottom side is going to be the one that I will like. And here we have it. It came out beautifully and I like the pattern that I have. I'm very happy with these bright green summer coasters. I think they would look very nice on somebody's summer table with summer drinks. Yeah, this is how I imagine them. And this mold is really great. As you can see, the coasters come out really easy. And the last fourth. Nice as well. I put a bit more yellow, but as we know, you can never get 4 of the same coasters. They always will have some little differences in between them. And here I have finished. I paint the edges gold and I top coat them. And here we have beautiful finished coasters. So if you found this video useful and entertaining, please leave a comment down below. But for now, I'm saying goodbye. Until next time, keep creating. Bye.